Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Sa video na to ay share ko yung summer outing ng sales team sa Lakewood Residences, Villa Crisanta 1, Los Baños, Laguna. Pero bago yan, kung bago ka sa aking channel, please subscribe ka muna at pakihit na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload ni Mayumi. After ng games at awarding of winners, syempre yung pinakaaantay ng lahat ay yung chibugan na. Bon appetit! At talaga namang masasabi kong sulit na sulit yung dinner namin dahil sa napakaraming choices ng ulam at masarap yung luto ng mga putahe. At talagang hindi kabitin dahil sina kuya, shout out sa kanila, nag-iikot pa talaga para mamigay ng iced tea at pwede kang bumalik kung gusto mo pang kumain at magkaroon ng second round. Eto guys yung kabuuan ng kanilang function hall na masasabi ko dahil dito ginanap yung games, dito rin yung billiards, dito rin sila nagkakaraoke, videoke, at nandito din yung pool area. Very spacious yung kanilang lugar at kaya niyang mag-accommodate ng 3 teams, siguro mga 50 to 70 packs. After ng dinner time, eto na yung social nights, yung pinakaantay ng lahat dahil pwede nang maglasing, mag-inuman, kwentuhan to the max, at maligo sa pool hanggang sa manawa ka. Ang Villa Crisanta 1 ay hanggang 3rd floor, kaya naman nung free time na ay inakyat namin ito. At dito nakita namin yung kagandahan ng pool at yung mga karatid na mga resort sa Los Baños, Laguna.
told in your mind when you're standing by my
After namin mag-ikot-ikot guys, eto na, swimming time na. At eto na yung makikita nyo halos sa buong video na to, yung pool area nila. Dahil dito, nag-relax at nagkatuwaan yung mga tao.
Driving the highways, runaways, forget our past. I won't outgrow this moment, I want it to always last. I don't mind, this is the life I wanted. I wanna know, I couldn't forget this moment. The water's cold, I wish I'd known this road isn't the easiest. I wanna know what you told in your mind when you're standing by my side. We could be easily anywhere in the world this time. We could be anything we ever wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted? Everything you wanted. 'Cause why would we even not wanna even try when this world is everything we wanted? Why would we even not wanna even try when I could be everything you wanted? Everything you wanted. Everything you wanted. Everything you
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Eto naman guys, yung aming kwarto at kailangan ng magpahinga. So, napakaraming double deck. So, ang kasya dito ay 12 katao dahil meron pa silang 4 na pull-out bed.
Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love.
Eto yung second day namin sa Villa Crisanta 1. So, bumaba na kami para sa aming branch. At kung mapapansin nyo, tahimik na rin dito, malinis na.
Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute,
Ayan, laro daw muna siya bago umuwi. So, ayan guys, kung naghahanap din kayo ng place for team building activity or private resorts, so nire-recommend ko tong Villa Crisanta 1 dahil malaki yung kaya niyang i-accommodate na packs at nasa Los Baños, Laguna lang siya. Napakarami pa ring private resort dito around Los Baños. So, yun guys, sana mapili nyo rin tong Villa Crisanta 1 for your team building activities. Please don't forget to subscribe guys. Till my next video.
The vibe right, don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you.